Yeah. Yeah. For you fuck niggas, don't bring that bullshit around me before I come through with the AK with the beam. Laser attachments, cause that bullshit I ain't having. Nigga, you better stop trying to plan bullshit on me, cause I will come through and rob you for your G's. I mean, rob you for your sneaks, cause I be puffin' live every day. That's just true indeed, yeah. It's D-I to the Z-Y. I am so fly, G4 when I fucking ride by. I don't drive in cars, cause that's overrated. I ain't trying to get pulled over, never hate it. Niggas never made it. I'm always famous, cause I'm always strapped up with them semi-Asian. And I'm bringing a semi-Asian down piece to roll with me in the streets, cause she tuck the heat and she'll let it off. And y'all niggas is ballin', but y'all get kicked off. Christoph, now I'm pissed off. So this nigga about to get weight like Rick Ross. Nigga, you could say, cause when this gun let off, you gon' be done. D to the fucking O-N-E. You niggas ain't fucking with me, indeed. And if you ever think you can, hit up my friend. We can set it up, knuckle up. Niggas be like cars get shuffled up. I don't give a fuck, cause you niggas never wanna scuffle up. You wanna try to jump me when I'm dolo. Got that 4-4 and I'm letting that shit go. I'm letting no bullets out the desert. I don't give a fuck. Niggas get opened up like presents, huh? And I think it's fucking Christmas. And I think you fuck bitch missed this. Missed this D. I-Z-Z-Y. O fucking G. Can't stop me. Bring your fast D. I bring that crossover. Hit you with that 1, 2, 3. And watch the niggas hit the fucking dirt. I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause you never was getting murked if you tryna fuck with my payday. I come through with that AK, you spray 8 of your best friends or your best men. I don't give a fuck, cause I shoot them with the left hand. Cause that ain't my right hand. I will come through, nigga. I am no hype man. I am just a snipe man hanging from the balcony. I will come through, yeah. Watch me call the cavalry. I mean, I will come through and straight set it off. You niggas is getting cops involved, law dogs. That's something I don't like, and I will got the fucking knife. Give you a poke, good night. You better just chill back. Before you get hit, semis and I peel max back, and I got a full box, so I load my clip up, let that thing pop, and it's all over. Your bitch all over my dick. She love the exposure. I fucking hate the closure, so I cut her off. They call me Mariano Rivera, cause I'm the closer. And if the game on the line and Dizzy in his prime, nigga, you ain't doing shit. So you better just sit the fuck down before I bring that AK and that 4 pound, yeah. What up, man? Shouts out to all my niggas. True niggas, you know you is, man. Feel me? Flawless, Bizzle, Kool-Aid, Swag Money, and Fly. Brothers till we die, nigga.